Welcome back. We're here with Rebecca from Bizzy Bee Cleaning Services. Did I get that correct?
You got it right. Bizzy Bee
Woo-hoo,
Cleaning.
I'm finally remembering these. But we know you. We go back further than that. You've been a guest on the podcast before, and you even sang for us at the Advent calendar. So thank you.
Right. I did. That was fun.
So how are you hanging in there?
Oh, better times.
I know, right?
It reminds me of better times.
It's been a little crazy lately.
Yeah.
You know,
But we'll be back.
The Christmas time this year, I remember it was like one of the best Christmases I've ever had of all time. Like the week leading up to it, like we got our 100th podcast downtown, and then we also had like the thing. It was just one of the better experiences. And you're right, like that. And now here we are.
And then I ruined it by telling you Santa isn't real, George.
Yeah,
I'm sorry to tell.
It'll never be the same.
The tears in his eyes were so many tears.
But Rebecca, what are you doing? How are you holding up? What's going on?
So I'm holding up great. Currently, I've stopped doing all residential cleaning and I'm focusing on all commercial. So such as gyms, schools, bars, restaurants, office spaces, just so I'm not in contact as well with people. You know, we're all trying to stay safe out here. So what I'm doing is I want to blast that Bizzy Bee Cleaning Services isn't only cleaning, but disinfecting. That's like the biggest thing that I think people are not understanding right now. It's like just a basic clean isn't going to do it. You know, completely removing like dirt and stuff. We really need to disinfect and use the right chemicals in order to clean the surfaces which the coronavirus has been exposed to. So like EPA on Environmental Protection Agency has online a list of different chemicals and cleaning supplies that you can use and the duration of how long they should stay on each surface. So this is something that I just want to spread awareness to people and businesses moving forward that, you know, don't just hire a friend to come in and clean who can clean. Really hire somebody such as Bizzy Bee Cleaner who knows the depth of how to go about doing it.
How to really get in there and do a deep clean.
A deep clean, deep disinfecting. We want everybody to feel safe when we get back to
Well,
them,
what sucks too is that this is a time where we're going to find a lot of people trying to take advantage of other people through crap, like just like what you're saying, you know, trying to trick people, say, oh, I'm going to come in for a cleaning, and maybe they're not doing it correctly. So, you know, do be a little bit more safe.
Yeah, there's definitely precautions you have to take while going about disinfecting, like using protective wear, gloves, masks, even eye protection, because some of the chemicals that you go in with are very harsh. It can be harsh. So,
what about yourself personally? I mean, you're going to these different places? Are you worried? Or I mean, I'm assuming you're taking precautions.
We lost George, Tyler.
Oh wait, I'm happy.
There he is.
No, you're back.
I'm back.
Very flattering still shot we have right there.
Well, you know, it's karma because I made fun of Pete yesterday. So now, yeah. So how are you doing it when you're going to these places? How are you taking care of yourself?
Myself is wearing gloves, disposable gloves, because if you wear the non-disposable from one job to the other, you're just kind of spreading it. Masks, eye protective wear, and long sleeve shirts with long pants. You know, just really trying to be as cautious as possible and washing my hands very, very, very often. Yeah. I don't think, I mean, everybody washes their hands, but it's really important to stick your hands in there for like 20 seconds, like burn them.
Yeah.
Tyler doesn't wash his hands.
No, I do, but I just think
I heard that rumor about you. You just started. Congratulations. Proud of you.
Well, you know, I'm growing up in many different ways, but I haven't washed my hands like this before, for sure. I mean, these things are in. Like,
you have like bloody knuckles from it.
And moisturize. You have lotion. You guys need to keep moisturizing too.
And,
I do have
Tyler has a lot of lotion on hand at home.
Yeah.
So I found too, being inside, like we're going on a week where we've kind of, you know, or have been practicing the social distancing. The air inside the house is so dry. Like my sinuses got all inflamed and whatnot. Not that I'm complaining, you know, big deal compared to anything else, but we've definitely had the humidifiers running and
Yeah.
Trying to get that
That's
moisture
definitely
flowing.
a big help. You're gonna get dried out. You are. So just humidifiers is probably the best way to go. And make sure you're cleaning those too very frequently. That's a big thing too.
With
Agreed.
how? Just like you have to
With
like disinfect them.
Yeah, bleach. Honestly, if you dilute bleach and kind of get in there and clean it all out, so like the mold and stuff, because you're gonna catch all air particles and stuff. So you just want to be safe.
Well, we want people to obviously call Bizzy Bee, right?
Yes.
In the meantime, if they can't get to you, or they have a couple minutes where to kind of disinfect their own house, or while you're not coming out, what are some tips they can do?
Here's some tips. Absolutely wear gloves, disposable gloves. Like I said, look up that EPA list of cleaning products, Clorox, bleach. The Clorox wipes are great. You know, really pay attention. Everybody's home is different. So high traffic surfaces such as TV controllers, doorknobs, light switches, the handle on the bathroom, what do you call that? The toilet flusher. Make sure you're wiping all those down consistently. So when you're at home, just all your high traffic surface areas, keep them fresh.
When I was in college,
I think we've lost George again.
Oh no!
Or he's
How
just
could I
very
lose me?
he's in deep.
Am I back?
He's thinking
Without
about all
blinking.
his high surface.
Yeah,
Gonna clean.
the air can't be that dry because he hasn't blinked.
What's going on?
Oh, these
I'm not
two
in
guys
here?
are my favorite.
You were, but you're back. You were out. You were somewhere else.
So
I don't know
what
what's
have you
going
guys been
on.
doing since you guys have been inside? What have you been doing to keep yourselves entertained?
Well, I made the mistake. I went to Jacobsburg yesterday for a hike, and now I'm freaking out because
Oh my God.
I know.
I've only been making runs for the essentials:
What are essentials to you, George?
toilet paper, water, like bottled water, just in case I'm not hoarding it, and
Good.
some non-perishables, like some more canned goods, because the fresh fruits and stuff that we want to have, they can go bad quickly. I don't know.
Yeah,
I got dinosaur-shaped chicken fingers, so I'm good to go.
Dino bites.
That's the only ones they had left.
Doesn't matter. It's like if you have a stockpile of Twinkies, you're set. Because those things aren't going
Exactly.
anywhere.
Those things never go bad, right?
Are you been
Like
out and
ever,
about?
you can eat a Twinkie that's like 40 years old and it's still
Still good.
pretty good.
You've
So
been.
crisp.
I'm assuming you've been out on the roads here and there. I really haven't. Has it been weird? Any different?
There's no traffic. There's not really a lot of people out. And if you do see people, I've seen a lot of people with masks on.
It's crazy.
Yeah, especially through Allentown. I had a commercial unit who called me in Allentown, and there's so many people all over the place with masks. But yeah, it's a little different.
Call from Michael Burnett.
Definitely a little different. It's shocking to see how people are taking this.
Yeah, it's crazy. I hope it. I hope it is not that long. I think we can go back to. I don't think we'll ever go back to normal again. I think there'll be a new normal, right? But
Absolutely. And
more
another thing
people
I just
stay
want
home.
to touch on quick, because you guys did talk about how like in home and how people can be taking care of themselves in their environment inside. Mothers and fathers with children, make sure that you are disinfecting your kids' toys. That is a big thing.
Okay.
They're at high risk, not only old people, but the babies too. So make
The
sure
phones.
that
Our
Really?
phones disinfect the phones too.
phones, wipe down the phones.
Hey, Rebecca, we've got about a minute
Everything.
left.
You
So
know, maybe even if you don't keep all the toys out for them at this point, just like getting a few of them, so you're not going crazy cleaning all of them. But
okay, we got about a minute left. So do you want to tell people how they can get in touch with you?
absolutely. All right, guys. So all businesses calling you guys. Let's get this all cleaned up, disinfected. Let's do it the right way. You can reach out to Bizzy Bee through Facebook, Rebecca Connolly of Bizzy Bee Cleaning. That's Bizzy, Bizzy. I will put out my telephone number on my Facebook, so in case people are elderly, business owners, whatever is here. And also Instagram. I have Bizzy Bee Cleaning on Instagram. So I can send that link over to George and Tyler. We can put it up somewhere so
We
you
got
can
it.
click on it.
It'll be right under your
Perfect.
name, so no worries.
These guys are the best. Look at
All
them.
right.
Spreading
Hey.
the word.
Good luck. Please be safe and take care of
Thank
yourself
you
out
guys
there.
too.
We want to
Support your small
We want to have
local
another great
businesses.
Christmas next year. So
Yes.
Downtown is still playing Christmas music.
I love it. All right. Go bye. See ya.
Good to see you guys. Stay safe.